pure chocolate smell.
Your nose works better than radar, Arjun.
How do they make chocolate? Trees? Cows?
Let's follow that van to the factory.
If we get lost, your fault!
It's a chocolate castle.
Operation Choco Spy starts now.
Kabir, not skydiving!
Little ninjas in my factory?
Sorry, sir. Just wanted to see chocolate making.
Rules say no,
Rules say no!
but a proper tour might fix this. Focus and choose. Chocolate's journey starts with cocoa beans. Inside these pods grow our magic cocoa beans.
It looks like an alien football. This really becomes chocolate? Chocolate?
First, the beans dry slowly in the warm sun.
Then we roast them to bring out rich chocolate flavor.
These are pure cocoa nibs. Want to taste the beginning of chocolate?
Okay, this is evil chocolate.
Then we grind the beans into a thick chocolate paste. We mix cocoa with milk and sugar to make it sweet.
If I fall in, don't save me.
We cool and warm the chocolate again. That makes it smooth and shiny.
They look like tiny chocolate beds.
What does this button do? You just invented chocolate snow, Kabir!
Best factory mistake ever!
After molding, we let the chocolate cool into perfect bars.
Special bars for my 3 special explorers. Here you go, your very own chocolate bars.
Thank you, sir. We'll never sneak in again.
Best school-free lesson ever.
Now this finally smells like real chocolate. Yes. Best adventure with the best team. Our secret chocolate mission now flying in the sky.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.